Hey guys, it's Mary. Look what I have. Diamond Press. Happy holidays, stamps, dies, and stencils. You know that this is my favorite auto ship, and I cannot wait. I opened this up, but I have not taken anything out. So we're gonna find out together what's in here. I'm so excited. All right. I see a Christmas tree. All right. I'm so excited I can't even get the wrapper open. Wait, here it comes. Or not. I give up. I give up. I've gotten this baby open. I could even do that. All right. It's like Christmas. Just rip it open. Oh, I'm exhausted now. Okay. So, we've got the folders as usual. Let's get to the good stuff. All right, wait. Let's look at what we've got here. All right, happy holidays. So we've got Christmas tree. Look at these cute frames. All the different layers of the tree. All the ornaments. How cute is that? And then here's our little strips that the dies pop into. Stencils. Look, we got snowflakes. We got stripes, candy cane stripes. We've got holly berries. And look at how cute this is, the plaid. Yeah, I think it's plaid. All right, so let's see what this one says. Stamps, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. From our home to your season's greetings from our house to you. So they're showing you how to put the sayings together. Merry Christmas, this is cute. Joy and love, season's greetings. Sending you a merry hello. Oh, I like that one. That's going to be good for the senior cards. Ho, ho, ho. May your days be merry and bright. All right. So let's take an actual look. All right, we got the big, long folder as usual. Let's look at the stamps. Look at that. Merry Christmas. Oh, joy and love. Look at how nice and big these are. This one says season's greetings. May your days be merry and bright. Christmas. Sending you a Christmas hello. That's the one that I liked. Winter wishes. To you and yours. Ho, ho, ho. What does this one say? It's the most wonderful time of the year. Oh, these are so nice. Look how big that Merry Christmas is. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, and so here's the dies for all the Christmas tree. And look at the little ornaments, how cute those are. It's nice that they're all in one little die because they're so tiny. You won't have to lose them. And then there's the the drop-in, and then the frames. I just love the little candy cane stripes and the little berries. Oh, so cute. All right, let's look at the stencils because you know they're my favorite thing. All right, see if I could do this one. Boy, there we go. I have no nail per se on this long fingernail over here, so it's hard to grip. All right. All right, let's take a look. All right, so here's the snowflakes. Oh, I love that they're all different sizes. Look at the little tiny ones. Oh, you know, this would be so pretty in a glacier paste. Give that a try. Candy cane stripes. That's going to be so cool. And you know, I've said this before, but I really like that they're big enough so that you can do any type size card. And that's why in the instructions, they always show you. Oh, I forgot to do this side. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. So they always give you some cards to show inspiration. Look at how cute little sized trees. But they always show on here what it would look like with like a slim line, a 5x7, and then the A2 size card. So you get an idea. And it's big enough that it'll fit all of those, which I really like. Makes it so much easier. Oh, look at this. The holly, the berries, the little branches. I think that might be, I don't know, it kind of looks like a pine cone. I don't know. What does it look like when it's done? Yeah. Kind of looks like a pine cone to me. All right, and last, the Mary Plaid. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, so excited. So excited. You know, as I said before, I absolutely love these auto ships, and I wish they could go on forever. You know, they could redo the holiday or the season and just make it different, because these are just so nice. And I've really, out of all the auto ships that I've gotten, not just with Diamond Press, but other companies too, I look forward to this one the most. Now, if only I could get it back. So let me know in comments if you're getting the auto ship, if you got your Merry Christmas one. I think there's, maybe, I don't know. Let me look. I've got a binder. Let's look and see how many more of these we can look forward to. All right. So that was number 2. All right, so this, okay. So this one was number 5. Happy holidays. So we've got one more coming in November for, oh, look at that, for Valentine's Day. And then number 7 comes in January. Oh, that's going to be so pretty with the butterflies and the stencils. And then the 8th one is March, and it's pockets. And that's it. Oh, I like that. Look at this, like a pinwheel. So cute. So we've got what, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8. Only 3 left. I'm bummed. But that's all right. Maybe they'll come up with something just as good. So anyway, yeah. So let me know in comments if you've been getting the auto ship and how much you like it. I just got this one just a day or, I think maybe yesterday actually. But I've been super busy trying to get ready for a, I'm doing another one of those events from Crop and Create, scrapbooks and cards. And there's a lot of homework. And the event is the end of the month. I think it's the 30th, the 1st, and the 2nd. So I've got lots of homework I have to do for that. There's 8 main classes and then 8 mini classes. And it doesn't look to be like the mini classes are very mini this time, which is exciting, but still a bit time consuming. So, but I'm looking forward to it. I just finished an event, a card event, that I had signed up with the Concord and 9th in June, but I was unable to virtually attend because I was taking care of my friend. So, you know, time just goes so fast. So I wanted to get those done before I started the homework for these. So I will be doing a video to show those cards down the road. So that's it. Diamond Press. Oh, I love it. All right, so that's it for this time. Like I said, leave me a comment. And that's it. So thank you for subscribing. If you're a subscriber, if not, and you're thinking about it, you can hit the subscribe button. And then the bell, if you hit that, it'll send you notifications. There's also a like button. So if you ever see a video that you like, just hit that like button. It really means something to Facebook. Which in turn is meaningful for me. So it's always nice to be liked. And that's it. You know, I appreciate any time that you take to watch any of my videos. You know, it's just a little channel. I don't have any sponsors. I buy everything myself. So, you know, I'm growing slowly, but I am growing, and that's exciting to me. So, all right. So on that note, that's it. Stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.